So it's really interesting to consider the different sectors in the UK and whether certain sectors, biotech, creative, miss out on funding. I think actually 2023 was a really slow year for funding, much slower than, say, 2021 or back to sort of 2018 levels. Biotech and creative are both pillars of the UK economy. We have a lot of expertise and they're there's a wide-ranging breadth. We've got lots of excellence in terms of the people. There has been early stage government support, but I think they need specialist help sometimes to get across what they do and their value proposition to investors. What necessarily makes a brilliant scientist or a creative doesn't necessarily mean that they can explain that to be able to get funding. They sometimes need specialist business support and specialist investors and specialist networks that can help them craft that story and get the right investments. And we can help with those tools and those resources and that advice. I think bringing together more collaborations, more partnerships, working with investors and specialists who understand that industry. So if you've got an early stage biotech, for example, and they need to look at their whole funding journey, what funding do they need at which stage? I think bringing in expertise so they can understand their journey, what they're going to need. I think that's very important. Helping them with the tools, with the networks, with the, helping them with their research as well, and just leveraging opportunities that they wouldn't necessarily have on their own. So I think if we're going to improve investment for the creative industry, I think we can build on what we've already got. There is some great government support, grants, potential, tax incentives around there for some industries. I think we can bring together networks in a much stronger way. We can bring in specialist investors who can help, deliver their expertise. And also, you'll find that with a growing industry, there's certain, experienced veterans willing to, give back. As we have experts within the creative industry, we can help to deliver on those networks, those collaborations, and help see which specialist funding and finance mechanisms are going to be better for those industries. But I think sometimes tying up the networks is going to help those companies.